Hello again, year one. It's Mr. K, and I'm going to share with you your reading skills activities for today. So let's share our screen and let's have a look at what we're doing. We're carrying on with our lovely story, The Tiger Who Came to Tea by Judith Kerr. So you can see there, it's Wednesday, the 6th of January, and we are doing our reading skills now. So yesterday I introduced you to a lovely piece of vocabulary in this story, and it's the word suddenly. Can you remember what that word suddenly means? Can you remember what type of word it is? Okay, well, if we look back, we can see that suddenly is an adverb, and suddenly means quickly and without warning. It can mean it happens unexpectedly, so it happens out of the blue, or it can mean on impulse without premeditation, when you just decide to do something like that. Okay, maybe yesterday you may have looked on YouTube for The Tiger Who Came to Tea story. And I'm going to read a little bit more of it with you today. So we read the first page yesterday, and it says, once there was a little girl called Sophie, and she was having tea with her mummy in the kitchen. Suddenly, that's that word, there was a ring at the door. What do you think it means in that sentence? Suddenly, there was a ring at the door. I think it means just out of the blue, suddenly, all of a sudden, there was a ring at the door. Prediction. Okay, that's one of our lovely reading skills. Who do you think is going to be at the door? Have a little chat with the person you're with. Who do you think is going to be behind that door when mummy opens it? Okay, well, let's find out, shall we? We may not find out today. Let's see. Sophie's mummy said, I wonder who that can be. And we've got a picture here of a milkman. It can't be the milkman because he came this morning. And now we're going to do our RIE, our retrieve, infer, and explain. So our retrieval question today, does Sophie's mummy know who is at the door? Have a little read back. Remember, all of the answers are in the writing. Have a little read back. Does Sophie's mummy know who that is at the door? Okay, hopefully, remember, if you need any more time, you can always pause the video. I don't think Sophie's mummy does know because she says, I wonder who that can be. And if we look at her expression, she's a little bit puzzled. So she doesn't know. Infer, we already did this question. Who do you think it could be? Hopefully you've made a lovely prediction for me. And explain, why can it not be the milkman? Why is it not the milkman at the door? Find your answer in the writing. So read these sentences back. Why is it not the milkman at the door? Okay, let's go through the answer for that one. So it says down here, it can't be the milkman because he came this morning. So if we try and answer that in a full sentence, we know that it is not the milkman because, remember that lovely key word, because big elephants can't always use small exits. Because is a really good word when we're answering questions. So we know it cannot be the milkman because he came this morning. So he's already been to the door. Hopefully you got that answer. Well done. That's our very short reading skills session today. Remember, we take a couple of pages each day and we look at them in real detail. You can always search for the book on YouTube if you'd like to read a little bit more or find out a little bit more about the tiger who came to tea. I'll catch up with you again tomorrow to go through some more of our reading skills.